Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make this beautiful flower using pipe cleaner. So we are going to take this red color of pipe cleaner, cut them into half. Now we are going to bend all of them and tie a knot using one pipe cleaner like this. Now we are going to roll all of them and make the flower petal, bend it, give it shape using your fingers, and look, it's done. Similar way, we are going to take other pipe cleaners and bend all of them. We are going to make more such flower petal. Repeat the same process. We are going to bend like this. Now we are making the leaves. So take this green color of pipe cleaner, hold them. Similar way, we are going to tie a knot. Now put all the red flowers on this green stick, cover all of them one after another, and we're also giving it shape using floral tape. Combine the leaves as well on the sticks, cover it using floral tape, and look, your flower stick is ready. Let's make these beautiful flowers using pipe cleaners. We are going to take this blue color of pipe cleaner, fold it using this finger. Now fold it and cut the extra part, and look, you have to make more such petals. Now we are making the leaves as well. So fold this green color of pipe cleaners, make 3 such leaves. Take another pipe cleaner and bend them as well. Now we are going to make some large leaves as well. So make 2 such large leaves. Now we are making simple center flower as well. So we are combining these 2 different color of pipe cleaners, yellow and pink. Roll them, bend them like this and make a circle. Now paste all the blue flower petals around this circle, and look, your flower is ready. Put this green stick at the center. Now we are going to bend the petals and leaves. So we are going to put it on the top of the flower, cover all of them using floral tape, combine leaves as well on the green stick and bend the flower petals, give it shape using brush. We are also adding powder color, and look, it's ready. Let's make leaves pattern using pipe cleaner. So take this green pipe cleaner, hold it from one end, fold it, and we're going to twist it. And look, you have to repeat the same process over and over again. And we're going to make this leaf shape. Bend the pipe cleaner like this and increase the size according to the leaf, and look, it's ready. Similar way, you can make more such leaf designs. You can use these leaves for various purpose. Combine all of them using floral tape, and look, it's done. Let's make this beautiful yellow flower. So cut small pieces of yellow pipe cleaners, fold them using straightener, or you can also use iron. Press all of them and put powder color on the top of it using brush. Now we are going to bend and give shape like this, like we are doing here. Similar way, make a circle. So roll all of them and cut it. Now we are going to cut the extra feather of the pipe cleaner like this and make a green circle. Put it at the center of the flower. Paste all the petals one after another around it like we're doing here, and look, your flower is ready. You can also twist all the petals for more decoration. Now we are going to make the leaves here. So bend this green pipe cleaner like this and tie knot like we're doing here. Twist all of them like this, and look, it's ready. Similar way, we're going to press it using straightener. Combine the flower on the green stick using floral tape, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.